Today on Health Yourself, we're talking about 5 foods you can incorporate into a plant-based diet and why jackfruit can give you that meat-like texture you're looking for. So let's get into it. Starting at number 1, we have zucchinis. They are extremely nutritious, low in calories, low in carbohydrates, and definitely plant-based. If you want to mimic the texture and feeling of eating noodles, try a spiralizer to create the same noodle aesthetic to your diet. Zucchinis are filled with nutrients that are helpful, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, folate, and fiber. These all lead to a healthy heart by decreasing the risk of a stroke, high blood pressure, and lowering cholesterol levels. Number 2 is tofu. Tofu is a perfect replacement in recipes for meats that include pork, chicken, beef, and seafood. It's made from soybeans and has a high protein and calcium content. This is perfect for replacing that protein in your diet if you are used to eating meats. Tofu is a strong protein source and contains all 9 essential amino acids. They are important for functions like protein synthesis, tissue repair, and absorption of nutrients. Use it in place of eggs in a scrambled breakfast, cut it up for lunch or a snack, and make it into a nutritious soup or even a vegan pot roast dinner. There are endless combinations when it comes to tofu. At number 3, we're taking a look at lentils. Red or green lentils contain a lot of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients including iron and potassium. Cooked lentils contain 9 grams of protein per half cup. Lentils are a great source of protein to add to your lunch or dinner routine. Not to mention that studies can confirm that they fill you up and keep you full for longer periods of time, which can help in regards to weight loss. They can be added to stews, curries, salads, or in rice to include as an additional source of protein. We're halfway through the video, so hit that subscribe button, join us in our free Telegram group with the link in the description, and check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. Number 4, your classic potatoes. Now, potatoes may seem boring, but they provide an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Potatoes are abundant in compounds such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, and carotenoids. By neutralizing potentially harmful molecules known as free radicals, these compounds serve as antioxidants in the body. Accumulating free radicals will increase the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Besides being nutritious, potatoes also fill you up as well because they have a high density, which helps again in losing weight. Lastly, at number 5, we have jackfruit. Now, if you're switching to a plant-based diet, you're going to have to give up the obvious, which is meat. However, there are some great meat alternatives that can mimic a similar texture if you're used to that. One of the best natural choices is jackfruit, which is high in fiber, protein, and vitamins. It preserves a meat-like texture and is especially good for transforming your favorite barbecued foods into plant-based products. One of the most popular options is to have a jackfruit pulled pork sandwich. Overall, jackfruit is very healthy and it contains a medium amount of calories in addition to a lot of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to join our free Telegram group. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.